So now that we've talked about Ridgeback, let me show you how to install it and how we use it. So to run Ridgeback, you need a VM or a standard Linux box. It needs to have 2 or more cores, Intel processor or Intel compatible 64-bit. You need at least 2 gigabytes of memory. You should have 20 gigabytes or more of hard drive space, more if you want to keep lots of logs. And it runs on Ubuntu version 16 or higher, or Debian version 8 or higher. So I'm going to show how to install Ridgeback. It's pretty easy. You install Ridgeback on a Linux server. It could be a VM or a regular server. So I'm going to assume that you've already got a server set up, and I'm going to assume that you already have sudo installed so that you can sudo commands. Other than that, what I'm going to show you is how to install the dependencies and then Ridgeback itself. It's pretty easy. You don't have to go out into your network. You don't have to reconfigure anything else. So here we have the Debian package with the Ridgeback trial. I'm going to this screen. I've got some notes that show what I need to install. On Debian and Ubuntu, as root, we run these commands. This is going to do an update. It's going to actually try to install sudo. We've already got sudo installed. We won't have to worry about that. It's going to install curl, zip, SQLite, libpcap, etc. So here I am. I'm sudoing. All I did was copy off the dependencies. So here they are. Update, sudo, curl, zip, SQLite 3, libpcap 0.8. There's a command here that I'm writing to go out and grab the Debian package for Node.js version 6. So here it all it is. We're going to continue. Yes, we have our dependencies installed. Pretty easy. Next, we're going to do an ls. We look, here's our Ridgeback trial. We're going to do sudo depackage -install Ridgeback trial. So after these dependencies have been installed, sudo, curl, zip, SQLite 3, libpcap 0.8, and we've also loaded in the Node.js dependency, version 6 in this case, we can do a depackage -install for the Ridgeback Debian package, and it's installed, and that's it. The next thing that we would want to do is we want to opt Ridgeback conf, and we want to go down to the license file and copy that off like that, paste it into our license like that. And that's Ridgeback. And to start it, you simply opt Ridgeback, then RB start UI, and then Ridgeback started. That's it for installation.